Do you like carrots? It is one of the yummiest root vegetable with numerous health benefits. Carrots are actually underground roots that are grown almost all around the world and easily available. These crunchy, sweet and tasty roots are present in orange, red and yellow colors. They are rich in antioxidants, fibers, beta-carotenes, vitamins and minerals. Eating carrots is not the only way to get the goodness of this fruit, but juicing these veggies can be equally good. A large body of scientific evidence supports and promotes the regular intake of carrot juice for skin and vision health. Vitamin A in recommended quantities is essential for good vision, and carrots offer this vitamin in abundance. If a person's body has deficiency of vitamin A for a long time, then the photoreceptor cells present in the eyes deteriorate and it may lead to blurred vision, especially in dim light. Carrot juice contains vitamin A and a compound lutein that reduces the risk of vision-related problems. Carrots are rich in carotenoids. Beta-carotene present in carrot juice possess healing properties. It scavenges the free radicals and protects the skin tissues. It has photoprotective properties, means prevent your skin from sunlight effects. Carrot juice also appears to be contributes to the normal human skin color. Regular carrot juice intake creates the natural glow to your skin. Carrot is an easily available vegetable that works wonders for cleansing of your liver. Liver is vital organ of your body and perform number of important functions. Carrots contain retinoic acid, which helps to protect and cleanse the liver. If you have overactive bladder, you may feel a frequent intense need to urinate. This is because the bladder muscles are contracting even if your bladder is not filled. Carrot juice can help to reduce the frequent urination problem. It reduces the chance of urine infection and cleanses the kidney as well. Carrot juice contains cancer-fighting agents that reduces the possibility of the onset of cancer. Carrots contain carotenoids, which reduces the risk of breast and colon cancers. Another important thing is that carrot juice has zero fat. It is extremely beneficial in regulating the cholesterol level of the body. So regular use of this juice keeps your heart healthy and free from heart-related diseases because it contains potassium. Your child's immune system continues to change, adapt, and improves in response to external factors. The food they consume helps to sustain their natural defense, so their body can fight against diseases effectively. Foods such as carrots are immune boosters for your kids, so include them in their regular diet. You can drink carrot juice on an empty stomach or the first thing in the morning. You can also mix some ginger and lemon juice to improve the goodness. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayers.